Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'll start unit 5, which is factorization. Here are the unit outlines: factorization, remainder theorem and factor theorem, factorization of a cubic polynomial. So let's start our topic 5.1, which is factorization. Basically, factorization plays an important role in mathematics because it helps us to reduce our study to a complicated expression to the study of simpler expressions. Factorization. If we have a polynomial p of x and we can write this polynomial into multiples of two polynomials as p of x is equals to g of x into h of x, then each of the polynomials g of x and h of x is called a factor of p of x. In simple words, any polynomial can be written as the multiple of 1 or any other number. These numbers are called the factors of polynomial. For example, in the distributive property ab plus ac is equals to, we take a common from both terms a into b plus c. These two are the factors of this polynomial. Factorization of expression of the type ka plus kb plus kc. We have k common in these three terms, so we can take common from these terms, and then as you see in this example, factorize 5a minus 5b plus 5c. We take 5 common from these three terms, and these two are the factors of this polynomial. Similarly, in this example, we have 5a minus 5b minus 15c. We take 5 common from these three terms and these two factors of this polynomial. Factorization of expression of the type ac plus ad plus bc plus bd. We write them in a way so we can take common two factors easily. As you can see, ac plus ad, a is common in these two terms and b is common in these two terms. So we take a common and b common. A plus b, c plus d. These two are the factors of this polynomial or this expression. Example, factorize this term. In this term polynomial, you can easily see we have 3 common in these two terms and y common in these two terms. So we write them in a way so we can take common terms. Regrouping the terms of given polynomial, we have 3x plus xy. You can also take x common from these two terms. So we take x common, 3 plus y minus a common, 3 plus y, minus minus plus. 3 plus y into x minus a. These two are the factors of this polynomial. 3 plus y is common factor. Example 2. Factorize this term. Again, regrouping the elements, we have the given expression. We take r common from this expression and we get pq plus qr minus pr minus r square. R is monomial common factor. It means we can take common r from all the terms. So after taking common r, we have pq plus qr minus pr minus r square, grouping of terms. We take q common from this term and r common from this term, and we have q into p plus r minus r into p plus r. Monomial factors. These two are the factors of this polynomial. So r into p plus r, these two are the monomial factors, and q minus r. Basically, this polynomial has 3 factors: r, p plus r, q minus r. Factorization of the expression of type a square plus minus a 2ab plus b square. This is the formula of a plus b square, a minus b whole square. As we know, a square plus 2ab plus b square is equals to a plus b square, which is equals to a plus b, a plus b. A square minus 2ab plus b square is equals to a minus b whole square, which is further equals to a minus b into a minus b. Now, we have example of this formula. We have to factorize this term polynomial 25x square plus 16 plus 40x. As you can see, 25x square is the square of 5x, 16 is the square of 4, and we can write 40x as 2 into 5 x 4, or using this formula a square plus b square into plus 2 into a b. A is equals to 5x here and b is equals to 4. So we have 2 into a into b, 5x plus b whole square, and further it is equals to 5x plus 4, 5x plus 4. Example 2. Factorize 12x square minus 36x plus 27. We can take 3 common from these 3 terms. 3 into 4x square minus 12x plus 9, and you can see this is the square formula of 2x minus 3 whole square. Further it is equals to 2x minus 3, 2x minus 3. Here a is equals to 2x and b is equals to 3. Factorization of the expression of the type a square minus b square. We have a square minus b square. We can further write a square as 2x square. 4x square can be written as 2x whole square minus 2y minus z square. This is equals to a plus b, a minus b, which is equals to 2x minus 2y minus z, 2x plus 2y minus z. On simplification, we have 2x minus 2y minus minus plus z, 2x plus 2y minus z. These two are the factors of polynomial. This is the example 3. 6x4 minus 96. We can take 6 common from this expression, and x4 minus 16. x4 can be written as x square whole square minus 4 square. 16 is equals to 4 square. This is further the formula of a square minus b square, which is a minus b, a plus b. You can write x square minus 4 as x square minus 2 square. And again using the formula 6 into x minus 2, x plus 2, x square plus 4. These 4 are the factors of this polynomial. Factorization of expression of the type a square plus minus 2ab plus b square minus c square. We know that this formula is equals to a plus minus b whole square minus c square. Further you can write it as a square minus b square is equals to a plus b, a minus b. For example, factorize x square plus 6x plus 9 minus 4y square. We can easily see x square plus 6x plus 9. This is the formula of x plus 3 whole square minus 2y square is equals to 4y square. Further it is equals to a plus b, a minus b, x plus 3 plus 2y, x plus 3 minus 2y. Similarly, in this example, we have 1 minus, we take minus common from these 3 terms. 1 minus a square minus 2ab plus b square. 1 square minus, and this is the formula of a minus b whole square, and it is equals to 1 minus a minus b, 1 plus a minus b. And on further simplification, we have 1 minus a plus b, 1 plus a minus b. These two are the factors of this polynomial. Factorization of the expression of types a4 plus a square b square plus b4 or a4 plus 4 b4. We have examples. Factorize 81x4 plus 36x square y square plus 16y4. Example 1. We need to factorize 81x4 plus 36x square y square plus 16y4. We can easily see 81x4 is equals to 9x square whole square, 16y4 is equals to 4y square whole square, and this term is as it is. Now we need to close the formula. For formula we need a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we write 2ab, we add and subtract plus 2ab value in this equation, and we get 9x square whole square plus 2 into a b plus b square plus 36x square y square minus 2 into a b. If we have to add something, we will subtract it also. Otherwise this equation not be equals to this equation. So this is the formula of a plus b square plus 36x square y square minus 72x square y square, and on simplification we get 36x square y square with negative sign. Further it is the square value of 6xy, and this is the formula of a plus b, a minus b. Similarly in example 2 we have two square values. We need to find 2 into ab value, so we add and subtract 2ab from this equation, and this is the formula of a plus b whole square, and this is the square of 6xy. At the end this is also the formula of a square minus b square is equals to a plus b, a minus b. Factorization of the expression of type x square plus px plus q. Factorize x square minus 7x plus 12. We make the factors of 12 such that on addition or subtraction we get this number 7 along with negative sign, and on multiplication we get this 12. So from the factors of 12, the suitable pair of numbers is minus 3 and minus 4. Suppose we take numbers 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is equals to 2 into 6 is equals to 12. But 2 plus 6 is equals to 8, and 6 minus 2 is equals to 4. We don't get 7 with the negative sign. So we take the factors minus 3 and minus 4. Since minus 3 plus minus 4 is equals to minus 7, and if we multiply them we get 12. So we write minus sign with these two terms or suitable pair of factors of 12, x square minus 3x minus 4x plus 12, and we take x common from the first two terms and 4 common from second two. X into x minus 3 minus 4 into x minus 3. X minus 3, x minus 4. This is the example 2. This is same. We need to find the factors of 36 such that on multiplication we get minus 36, and on addition or subtraction we get 5x. So we take the pairs 9 and minus 4. On multiplying they give us minus 36. On addition they give 5. We put the positive sign with 9 because we have to get plus 5 here. We need plus 5 on this side. So x square plus 9x minus 4x minus 36, which is further equals to x into x plus 9 minus 4 into x plus 9. X plus 9 into x minus 4. These two are the factors of this polynomial. Factorization of expression of the type ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equals to 0. For example, we have this polynomial In this case, we need to multiply 9 with minus 8 so that we get minus 72, and we get the pairs of minus 72 such that on addition they give us 21x, positive 21x, and on multiplication we get minus 72. So we have two possible pairs. Suitable pairs of numbers with proper sign is 24 and minus 3, whose sum is equals to 21, the coefficient of x, and their product is equals to minus 72, which is equals to A into C. So substitute these two factors here, 9x square plus 24x minus 3x minus 8. 3x common from these two factors and minus common from this factor. 3x plus 8 into 3x minus 1. This is the same example as we have done one. Comparing this with ax square plus bx plus c, we have a into c is equals to, a is equals to 1, c is equals to minus 21. So ac is equals to minus 21. From the possible factors of 21, the suitable pair of numbers is minus 7 and plus 3, whose sum is equals to minus 4 and product is equals to minus 21. So we get x square plus 3x minus 7x minus 21. We take x common from these two terms and 7 common from these two terms, and this is the factors of this polynomial. Further we have example 3. 10x square minus 41xy plus 21y square. AC is equals to 10 into 21, which is equals to 210. So we find the two suitable factors of 210, which are minus 35 and minus 6. Their sum is equals to minus 41, and their product is equals to 210. After substituting these two factors, we take common 5x from these two terms and minus 3y from these two terms, and these are the two factors of this polynomial. Factorization of following types of expression. These are the expressions. We factorize them one by one with the help of examples. The first one is x square minus 4x minus 5 into x square minus 4x minus 12 minus 144. You can easily see in this example we have first term is similar to the second term. So we'll let this term is equals to y. This term is equals to y. Y is equals to x square minus 4x, y minus 5, y minus 12 minus 144. On multiplication we get this equation. Again we find the suitable pairs of 84, which are minus 21 and 4 in this case, with this negative sign with greater number. So we take common y from these two terms and 4 from these two terms. These are the simple terms. In the end we substitute value of y. Again y is equals to x square minus 4x. Then we find the suitable pairs of 21 and 4. This is the formula of x minus 2 whole square, and 21 has two suitable factors minus 7 and 3. On taking common x from these two terms, we have x minus 7 plus 3 into x minus 7. On further simplification, these are the factors of this polynomial. Factorize this term. In this term, you can easily see 1 plus 4 is equals to 2 plus 3. So it suggests us to rewrite the given equation as x plus 1 into x plus 4. Combine these two factors and these two factors. After multiplication we get the same term on both factors, x square plus 5x. So we write them is equals to y plus 4 into y plus 6 minus 120. On multiplication we get y square plus 10y plus 24 minus 120. We find the suitable factors of 96. which are 16 into 6 with the positive sign with 16. After taking common y from these two terms, we have y into y plus 16, and 6 common from these two terms, we have minus 6y plus 16. Y plus 16 into y minus 6. On substituting the value of y again, we have x square plus 5x plus 16, x square plus 5x minus 6. This can be further simplified with the suitable factors of 6. So these three are the factors of above equation. Example 3. We are given these three terms. First we find the suitable factors of 6, which are minus 3 and minus 2 in this case, and 3 and 2 in this case. On simplification, we get x minus 3, x minus 2, x minus 3, x plus 2. This is the formula of x square minus 4. X minus 2x plus 2 is equals to x square minus 4, and x minus 3, x plus 3 is equals to x square minus 9 minus 2x. On multiplication, it gives us x4 minus 13x square plus 36 minus 2x square. Further, we find the suitable pairs of 36, which are 12 and 3 in this case. On taking x square common from these two terms and 3 common from these two terms, we get these two factors. Further, we can write them as x square minus 2 into square root of 3 whole square. If we solve this, this is equals to 12. X square minus square root of 3 square. This is the formula of a plus b, a minus b, a plus b and a minus b. So in this way we can factorize any equation. These are the techniques to solve any complex question to the simplest form. Factorization of the expression of the following types. These are the cubic formulas. A plus b cube is equals to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, and if we have minus sign, we write 3a square b term with the negative sign. Other entries are same, with b is different in negative sign. So we factorize this term: x cube minus 8y cube minus 6x square y plus 12xy square. In simple word, this is the formula of a plus b square or a minus b square. We can write x cube as x cube minus 2y cube minus 3 into x square 2y. 3 into 2 is equals to 6. So 6x square y can be written as this term, and 12xy square can be written as this term. 3 into x into 2y square. Further, you can see this is the formula of x minus 2y whole cube, which is equals to x minus 2y, x minus 2y, x minus 2y 3 times. Factorization of type of expression a cube plus minus b cube. This was the formula of a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube, and these are the question of a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube. We are given two values a and b. We can write a as 3x whole cube and b as 4y cube. A plus b, 3x plus 4y, a square, 3x square is equals to 9x square, minus ab minus a into b, 3 into 4, 12 xy, and plus b square. B square is equals to 16y square. Similarly, 1 minus 125x cube. 1 can be written as cube value 1 cube minus 5x cube. This is the formula of a cube minus b cube, which is equals to a minus b, a square plus AB plus B square. On simplification we get 1 minus 5x into 1 plus 5x plus 25x square. Remainder theorem and factor theorem. If we have a polynomial p of x is divided by a linear divisor x minus a, then the remainder is p of a. We'll use this theorem in examples. For example, we have find the remainder when 9x square minus 6x plus 2 is divided by x minus 3, x plus 3, 3x plus 1 and x. This is the polynomial p of x. We need to find remainder, so we take the divisor and find the value of x, which is equals to 3. In this case, x minus 3 is equals to 0 and x is equals to 3. X plus 3 is equals to 0 and x is minus 3. X is equals to minus 1 over 3. X is equals to 0 in this case. So we have polynomial p of x is equals to 9x square minus 6x plus 2. We need to find the remainder. We put x is equals to 3 in this polynomial and 65 is the remainder according to the remainder theorem. Similarly, we put x is equals to minus 3, minus 1 over 3 and 0 in this polynomial, and these are the remainder of these polynomials. Example 2. Find the value of k if expression x cube plus kx square plus 3x minus 4 leaves a remainder of minus 2 when divided by x plus 2. We have this polynomial. By the remainder theorem, when this is divided by x plus 2, which is equals to x minus minus 2. So x is equals to minus 2 in this case. We put x is equals to minus 2 and on simplification we get 4k minus 18 and we are given that the remainder is equals to minus 2. So minus 2 is equals to 4k minus 18. This implies that k is equals to 4. 0 of a polynomial. Suppose we have a polynomial p of x and we substitute any value of x. If this value of x leaves the polynomial 0, then this certain value is called the 0 of polynomial. Definition. If a specific number x is equals to a is substituted for the variable x in polynomial p of x so that the value p of a is 0, then x is equals to a is called a 0 of polynomial. This is the factor theorem. The polynomial x minus a is a factor of polynomial if and only if p of a is equals to 0. You can say the value of x is equals to 0. Polynomial value of x is equals to 0, then we have the factor of polynomial. As in this example, we are given this factor of polynomial p of x. We substitute x is equals to 2 in this polynomial and the answer is 0. So 2 is the x minus 2 is the factor of p of x. Also in this example, we are given that find polynomial p of x of degree 3 that has 2, minus 1 and 3 as zeros, roots. So for solution, we have x is equals to these three values are roots of p of x. They are roots because p of x is equals to 0 at x is equals to 2, minus 1, 3. So we can write by factor theorem x minus 2, x plus 1, x minus 3 are the factors of p of x. Further, we suppose that p of x is equals to a into these three factors. Any polynomial can be written as the product of its factor. So we can write p of x as a is into x minus 2, x plus 1, x minus 3, where any non-zero value can be assigned to a. We take a is equals to 1 we get x minus 2, x plus 1, x minus 3. On multiplication we get this equation. So this is the polynomial. Factorization of a cubic polynomial. We can use factor theorem to factorize a cubic polynomial as explained below. Rational root theorem. We have this polynomial is equals to 0 where the coefficients are not 0. This is a polynomial of degree n with the leading coefficient a0. If p by q is a rational root of the equation, then p is a factor of constant term an and q is a factor of leading coefficient a0. For example, we have to factorize the polynomial this by using factor theorem. Suppose this is equals to p of x. So the possible factor of the constant term p is equals to 6 r plus minus 1, 2, 3, 6. These are the possible factors of 6. 6 can be divided by 1. 2 into 3 is equals to 6. 3 into 2 is equals to 6. 6 into 6. 6 divided by 6 is equals to 1. And of leading coefficient q is equals to 1 r plus minus 1. Only 1 are the coefficient of q is equals to 1. Thus the expected zeros or roots of p of x are p by q is equals to the p values. We divide the p values with q and they are equals to plus minus 1, plus minus 2 and plus minus 3, plus minus 6. If x is equals to a 0 of p of x, then this is the factor. We use the hit and trial method to find zeros of p of x. Let's suppose x is equals to 1. We check these factors in the polynomial p of x. If the polynomial is equals to 0, then these are the factors of p of x. So we put x is equals to 1 and the answer is 4, which is non-zero. So x is equals to 1 is not a 0 of p of x, hence not the factor of p of x. Again p of minus 1 is equals to 0. So p of x is equals to minus 1 is a 0 of p of x, and therefore this is the x plus 1 is the factor of p of x. Similarly we check for plus minus 2, plus minus 3, plus minus 6 and find the factors of polynomial. Thus the factorized form of p of x is equals to x plus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. And our chapter 5 is completed. Try to solve these examples and questions. These are very simple to solve. Still, if you find any difficulty, ask me. In next video, I'll start chapter 6. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.